Hello everyone, this is Tarun Jagdish. I am coming live right now to make an announcement about my upcoming class on SFM and Scmpe, which is starting on July 1st. Friends, many people were asking me how is going to be the approach to the class, whether if I miss a class, will the recordings be available, etc. etc. There were many questions. So based on these questions, I thought of just giving you a simple approach of how these classes are going to happen. First, I will start with SFM. SFM batch is starting on July 1st, and as I always do, even this class is going to be first conceptual oriented. Friends, our objective is to get maximum marks in the exam, and for getting maximum marks in the exam, there are 2 points which are very important. One, I should know the concept correctly. Two, I should be able to apply these concepts correctly. So what we will do in the classes, we will have two books. One will be a concept book and the other one will be a practical book. So in the conceptual book, we will write down all the concepts, all the logic. Once we get the logic very clear, only after that what we will do, we will go to the application of the logic. So what we will do is first we will do the concept. After doing the concept, what we will do, we will directly do the past examination questions for which we will start applying these concepts. By doing so, you will be able to link the logic with the practical implementation. And in our class, we will be doing all difficult problems. And after that is done, we will also be discussing and solving the study material problems. There are a lot of questions which have come in the study material. Those problems will also be covered in the class. So by the time we do these three things, you get the logic, you do the past examination questions, and you do the study material problems, you are done 100%, friends. After this, when you go to the exam hall, you have maximum knowledge, and that is what will give you the leading advantage from the examination perspective. Apart from this, friends, one of the very important points that I want to mention here is that we will have live doubt clarification. During the class, you can always chat and let me know about your doubts. And only after I clarify all the doubts will I take my class forward. Next important point that we have to keep in mind is that sometimes you might get doubts even after the class is over. Doesn't matter, my number will always be provided to you. You will have a group in which all the students will be joining. So you can ask all your doubts there also, and each and every doubt of yours will be clarified in a span of maybe 1 day or max to max 2 days of time. These classes are going to happen on alternate days. It will be 3 hours from morning 6:30 to 9:30. So some students did raise a concern that they might be having articleship. They might have to leave by 9 o'clock. You can leave, you can come back and view the lectures in the evening. That's not a problem at all. And suppose you miss some classes in the morning, the recordings will be available on the website. So you can always go and view these lectures later on also. By doing so, from my side, you will be getting 100% support for your journey to become a chartered accountant. This was about SFM. Now let us talk about Scmpe, Strategic Cost Management. Friends, first and the most important thing, earlier the classes were focusing on the old, but now it is going to be focused on 100% new syllabus. New syllabus mainly has got three parts. One, it has got theory. Two, it is having case studies. Three, it is having practical. So now the approach is going to be completely different. We are going to focus 100% only on the new syllabus study material. So your entire focus and entire problem of your new syllabus study material updated for the coming July 2021 exams will be used for the classes. By doing so, the advantage what you get is that you directly learn from the study material. I will give you the theory in PPT format. I will give you all the overview, entire concept, just like SFM, concept and then practical application. But now the advantage when you compare it with SFM would be, here you are doing it straight from the study material. So you get a very much comfortable flow of the entire subjects as to how it is going in the textbook itself. You have complete conceptual clarity. We are focusing only on the new syllabus. Theory notes and PPTs will be provided to all the students attending. And friends, we will cover 100% study material, 100% case studies will be covered, and for all the case studies, you will be given PowerPoints also. The advantage of these PowerPoints and the videos of the case study will be that you can learn and complete off each case study in 5 to 7 minutes of time. If you sit and learn on your own, each case study will take at least 25 to 30 minutes. So we are saving easily 20-25 minutes per case study when you attend these classes, because I make it in a compressed format and then I provide it to you. There are a lot of sample case studies available in my YouTube channel. You can go through them also. And just like for SFM, even for Scmpe, recordings, etc. will be available. So friends, if you want to register for the classes, you can log on to tarunjagdish.com. You have live class registration. Just click on it and you can get registered. Thank you so much friends. Hope all your doubts were clarified. Have a nice time ahead. Thanks a lot.